Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so pairing works. On your laptop, enable Bluetooth and make it discoverable. On the Google Home Mini, keep it powered and on the same network if the app is needed. Open the Google Home app to access the Mini's settings, because sometimes you must enable Pair Bluetooth. Once done, put the Mini into pairing mode via the app or voice command so the laptop can find it. This first step gets both endpoints ready to talk. Next, you will make the actual Bluetooth connection. On your laptop, open Bluetooth devices and scan. When you see the Google Home Mini, choose it and accept any pairing prompts. If a PIN appears, confirm it matches on both sides. After pairing, go to your laptop sound or playback settings and select the Home Mini as the output device so system audio routes there. You do this because pairing links the devices, and selecting output ensures apps play through the Mini rather than internal speakers. Finish by testing audio and adjusting volume levels on both devices. Make sure the laptop's output stays set to the Mini. If audio stutters, reconnect by removing the device and pairing again. Sometimes restarting the Mini or laptop clears transient Bluetooth issues. If problems persist, update your laptop's Bluetooth drivers or perform a factory reset on the Home Mini as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: if latency is the issue, try using a wired USB or 3.5mm solution or disable other nearby Bluetooth devices to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.